Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to find the apps and notifications option. Now let's wait, because we have to tap on see all 50 apps, of course 50 in my case, no worries. If you've got less, that's okay. Let's tap on it and then tap on the 3 icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on reset up preferences, and as you can see, our device will inform us what it will actually reset. So among others, the disabled apps and background data restrictions for apps. No worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And basically this is it. This is how to reset the preferences in this ALCATEL device. As you can see, here we've got the evidence, because we have to allow our launcher to access everything basically. So it means that we successfully reset it. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.